Introducing MagEasy Hybrid Workstation, an everyday carry and organizing system consisting of a badge holder and a desktop organizer which is magnetic, modular, and customizable. The holder has strong magnets firmly hold EDCs together in a slim stack. Its wallet design opens flat, revealing 3 dedicated slots for cards and other small essentials. Customize your carry to fit your needs and meet your standards. Wear it around your neck or slip it into your pocket or bag when you're on the move. It also features a variety of accessories that will come in handy, like the extra slim card holder, the foldable phone stand, the portable mirror, the mini notepad clipboard, and so much more. The magnetic design allows you to snap those accessories on the exterior of the badge holder and retrieve them without a hitch to tackle any situation with that peace of mind. MagEasy Badge Holder enables you to effortlessly go through anywhere without digging into your pocket. Thanks to its fold-out design, your privacy is secured with a simple flip. The MagEasy Hybrid Workstation helps you transition to your workplace without missing a beat. The self-standing board that holds and organizes all your office essentials also transforms into a mousepad or a clipboard. From exchanging name cards to jotting down meeting minutes, MagEasy got them covered. MagEasy Hybrid Workstation works seamlessly for your peak performance and productivity at work. More innovation combinations of MagEasy Hybrid Workstation await your exploration. Lids. Lead a modern lifestyle.